Hello, welcome to Tool Zone. Today we'll do a review of a cordless drill. It's from Parkside Performance series. It's some kind of better series than ordinary green tools that they sell. They're all made in China. This one is with brushless motor and max torque of 60 Newton meters. Rotation speed in first gear is 0 to 500 rotations per minute, and in second gear from 0 to 2000. It has 22 torque levels and drill settings, and clamping range of chuck is 1.5 to 13 millimeters. Capacity of drilling is 13 millimeters in steel and 38 millimeters in wood. Let's see how this tool actually looks like. Let's unbox it. Price of this tool is around 50 euros. Here comes in a nice plastic box. Quality of plastics is let's say okay, doesn't wobble much. Handle is plastic and they're metal wedges, but they really are soft. Let's see this. They're really soft. So thing that I would do is bend this steel here so that the force of locking is increased. Let's see the drill. Here is it. Well, it looks nice. It's rubberized, as I can see. BL brushless. Here is direction switch. Locked, forward, back. Here is the instruction. Short instruction on this chuck. It has the mode that protects chuck from being stuck. When you unscrew it to put some 13 millimeter drill, when it comes to the end, it stucks and it won't engage. It doesn't mean it's broke, that's why they attached these instructions here, so you can re-engage it. Again, it goes like this. Just up and see, it's protected, then it goes back to normal. Here you have a torque setting from 1 to 21 and the drilling mode. Here's switch: first gear 0 to 500 RPM and second gear 0 to 2000 RPM. Ventilation is here. Belt clip, you can turn it to the other side if you like, if you're left-handed. Here is a magnetic holder for some drill bit, but it is not very strong, so you must be careful not to lose your bits. See, it's a little bit weak. Plastic on the bottom, it's a bit rough, but the rest of the drill is quite nice. Feels nice in hand, doesn't crackle. So we'll give it a try. This drill chuck is made by ROM. It's a quality check, and I think it is not replaceable without disassembly of a tool, but it should last long. We'll give it a try on the lowest setting. We'll put it in the first gear, and I'll turn it to the lowest setting so we could see how it performs in terms of precision of torque that you limit. Let's see with these small screws. Well, it's not quite precise. Let's turn it to the setting number 3. Nothing. 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 Let's turn it to the setting number 5. I could leave just one setting from 1 to 5. Now let's see setting number 9. Well, it may be that the wood is softer here than on the other side. Now we'll change it to the setting 13. Let's see. This I don't find very I don't see it very precise. When it starts crackling, it should stop and not continue like this. Okay, it's not impact driver, it's a screw driver. It's a drill. You see that? It's slipping, the clutch is slipping. So this is not very good. Let's see on number 17, but it will just drive it to the end. And on the highest setting of torque 21. Wow. Here is power. Now I'll switch this bit and try this larger screws. It is first gear. I'll start with setting 13. You see, it's not really good. Let's try setting number 17, first gear. So still the same result. We'll go to setting 21. It's almost like it doesn't engage clutch at all. It's twisting my wrist, but doesn't engage clutch. Look at this. Why is not clutch engaged? This is the weak point of this tool. It is strong, but the clutch does not engage well. So if you're playing using it on some kind of precision work, it's not good for that. It's torquey and I like it. Now I'll switch it to the second gear to undo these screws completely. It's effortless. It's very good. There is okay. It's okay with the amount of power it has, especially for 50 euros. I haven't tightened it very well. Let's goes easy. I start to feel hot air coming from the motor, but not too hot. It's mild. Now we'll try and test the drilling capability of this drill. They say the maximum capacity in wood is 38 millimeters. We'll start with 25. Let's see, 25 in first gear. Drill mode, first gear, and 25 mil. Let's give it a try. This was quite easy. So 25 is good. Let's go to larger diameter drill. This one is 32 millimeter. Let's give it a try here. Well, that's nice. It starts to twist my wrist, but the tool itself completed the task. I don't have 38 mil drill, so I will use 40. It's quite similar, a little bit over what the manufacturer stated, but let's try. Well, it's drilling. I feel a bit of movements in. Yes, it can drill it quite nicely. When I drilled 40 mils here, I felt the plastic movements, but I believe it's nothing serious. Drill now, well, it hit it up a little bit on this back side. There are cooling openings here, you see. But when you drill, you usually, if you need to push, you push it over, so the cooling is limited in that occasions. They could do it a little bit smarter, put it or somewhere right here or here. But for the 50 euros and 5-year warranty, you can't complain. It's nice tool. It's okay. I can recommend it if you don't need really some exact levels of torque. since you saw that it is not consistent there. That is the weak point of this. I believe the motor and gearing is quite nice. I'll give it a try on the second gear. Try to drill some holes additionally so we can test it. And I won't do it with 40 mil, I'll do it with 32, since the highest torque is achieved in the first gear, not in the second gear. I'll do it somewhere here. And set it on the drill mode. 2000 RPM. It just chews like nothing. Let's give it a try with 40. Tighten it. Nice, 40 mil. Well, I see this is really good result. In second gear it doesn't struggle at all, almost. Let's see, battery says it's still full, so this is 2 amp power battery. It will probably last enough for most amateur works and maybe some professional work. That's it for today. If you like this review, please consider subscribing, like, share, comment, and stay tuned for new reviews. Next thing we'll do, probably compare this drill to some DeWalt drill. Bye bye.